What have I got myself into? Welcome to the State of the Bus. This is June 24th, 2026. 6 months ago, I bought myself a 1974 Volkswagen bus. And this thing is in rough shape. This is going to be a fun year, getting this thing back on the road, running, driving, stopping, and plowing through life's problems. I wanted to take you guys around, show you what it is right now, day one. Well, not really day one. 6 months, day one. But I'm excited. This thing has got a solid 1/4 inch of Bondo layered paint, all sorts of stuff. All the way across here. I've started to kind of dip into it today, see what I'm actually working with here, but this thing is gonna be very fun to get done. Every single window's got to come out of this thing. Almost all of them are rotted out, and that's not even getting back into here where the real fun bit is. All that's gone. This is all fiberglass right here. And then all the way up. I'm gonna show you this. I'm glad that still works. And the door itself kind of looks nice, but this corner is a hideous little monster. A little bit on the inside too, yeah. Torsion bar. It's gonna be real fun. All the way around the bottom of the lip there too. It's a 74, but it's got some kind of makeshift tinning for a standard 1600, and that's what I've got. So that's what I'm gonna put in it anyways. I like the VIN. I dig that. Lordy, I don't dig all this work though. It's gonna be so much fun. So much fun. I'm hopeful that whatever's behind here is looking good when I get there. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun to get there. All the windows gotta come out, got a rail in a couple of places. It's come de-separated between the lower and the roof. Check this out though. It's kind of nice, isn't it? It locks. The latch works. So that's super nice. It hasn't fallen off yet. I have no idea about the state of these. This one looks like it's... That one... The plugs are new? This one... Yeah. That's not the right transmission. That's not the right steering wheel. This one is though. And I got the back bumper there too. Score! I really dig the tan interior. With the black, that's got to come back. That's freaking sweet. And there's a couple of little starlight holes in the roof. So, yeah. Normal floorboard, corrugated steel. Yeah. I guess that's gonna be due to all the Bondo on the other side of that. Fiberglass all up that freaking panel. Speaking of fiberglass, foam. Man, who foamed the doors, man? Boy, this bus was definitely several generations of. We can fix it cheap and kick it down the road. Oh. Man, this is going to be such a fun year. I gotta show you all the things I'm planning to do with the garage. Get my studio set up, get my work shed going, Get a little area out here where I can walk around it and weld on it, beat on some panels, cut on some rusty, crappy German steel. Not crappy. I love this thing. I'm so excited to have a bus in my life again, man. If you got something in your life, makes you smile when you drive it, makes you look back when you walk away, makes you take pictures of it. Think again before you sell it, and then think a third time, because man, it is really hard to buy things that make you smile and care in the world. But I got mine. I got my little project here. This thing is gonna be great when I'm finished with it. Follow along to see what all is going on with this thing, how far I get into it, if I get it done in the year. Drop me a like, follow, subscribe, all that shit. Thanks.